values for using Postman and check whether we are getting more tiles or not here, tiles or cards. I will be sending some data so that we can have a look on the tiles or the cards, how it is being arranged on the front end. So this was one blog one what I have posted. I will refresh the page and we see 4-5 cards here. We will create a new state variable to store the values of the fields what we enter there. It is add blog comma set new state, and this will be of this structure. It will have one title which is set to blank right now, a subtitle, and a body. There is one very important thing, whatever values we are giving to the names here, to the fields, the title, subtitle and body, it should exactly match the name and value field present in your HTML area on the React site. So on this I am re-entering in the title area, the name will be equal to title, it should be exactly what we mentioned there, and value will be equal to add blog dot title. Okay, similarly here also name is equal to subtitle, we had the T capital, so it will go like this, title, and value will be equal to add blog dot subtitle, and same goes for the text area also, name is body and value is equal to add blog dot value. Okay, we can save this much and just okay, we are not able to type it, we need to update it, add an on change event to update this value. So on all the 3 places I will enter an on change event, values to the field. Okay, now I can create the function, an arrow function which will be capturing the event. We will take the name and value from the e.target, and then I am going to update the add block state variable. So it will go like set add block. Here I will take the previous value of add block first, because on top of that I am going to update these and use this to have the value stored. Okay, now just let me try to enter. Yeah, I can type in here anything what I want. Okay, so if you want to check the value of okay, the next step is creating the block. So again go to this create block button, the type should be submit, and on the form area I will give a on submit event. Create blog. Okay, and write a function to create the blog. This will be a async function again. Create blog Here I will store the value of the await exuse call. Exuse.post is the method, and I will make a request to the API. The API endpoint is create blog. Just copy this, and what I need to send in this data is the add block, whatever we stored in the add block area. Okay, so add block I will be sending it here, and I can also do a console.log of what is going with the response. Okay, and one more thing is there, I don't want the page to reload whenever I submit it, so I will do a prevent default. Okay, so let's check. And I do a create, so something went there with all the data. You can see my data coming up here. I will just refresh my page, and I can see Abhavya's blog. These two are fake data, so that's why it is blank, and here it is coming as Abhavya's data, Abhavya's blog. And then what I want to do is it should immediately get refreshed. I don't need to click on refresh button. So first let me delete these two unwanted value from. Okay, now I want to have I want it to refresh as soon as it is created. So in the blogs I am going to update this. red.data.blog, and is this, and what I need to do is add block to that original form. Title should become empty, subtitle should also become empty, and body should also become empty once everything is submitted. Okay, so let me try again. There was a typo. Abhavya's blog. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I did a submit. Okay, it says as okay. I have not refreshed the page. Yeah, so it is here. Let me just check why blog body value was not removed. This blog dot body should be present here. Let me try with another data. MongoDB. So I'm doing the create align, and it gets emptied, and without refreshing the page I can see my blog here on the MongoDB. So creation is done. Now next will be deletion, and then last will be updation.